It's going crazy now. It's blinking like crazy. I put this Blkberry in inside my jacket and into the washing machine, and very strangely now this is happening. It's changing colors. First it was, I think it was green, and then it turned to orange, and then it turned to red, and it's blinking all the time, and I don't know what's going on. Right now it's actually turned to dark orange color. You can't really see it in the video because it's kind of bright, and it's got two colored dots on either sides. As you can see on the left, you got two green colored dots, and on the right two red colored dots. And there's a little bit of blue under the trackball. There you go. I'm ending my video. Hopefully someone can tell me what's going on.